God is saying to you today, my child, I know your heart. I know the battles you do not talk about. I know the nights when you felt weak, the mornings when you smiled through pain, and the moments when you wondered if anything would ever change. But listen to me carefully. I have not let you. I am still with you, my child, and I am still working in your life. There are seasons when everything feels slow. You pray, you wait, you hope, and yet nothing seems to move. In those moments, the enemy wants you to think, I am silent because I do not care. But that is not the truth. Even in silence, I am moving. Even in waiting, I am preparing. Even in delay, I am protecting. What you cannot see, I already understand. What is confusing to you is never confusing to me. Do not let fear take over your heart. Fear will tell you that you are not enough. Fear will tell you that the door will never open, the pain will never end, and your future will never improve. But I am calling you to walk by faith, not by fear. Faith does not always have all the answers. Faith simply chooses to trust me any. And when you trust me, my child, you will begin to feel a peace that does not come from the world. It comes from knowing that I am in control. You have been carrying too much on your own. You have tried to stay strong for everyone. You have tried to keep going even when your heart was tired. You have tried to hold everything together while quietly falling apart inside. But my child, you do not have to carry it all alone. Bring your burden to me. Bring your stress to me. Bring your tears to me. Bring your questions to me. I am not turning away from you. I am inviting you closer. Sometimes you think you know it to be perfect before you come to me. You think you need to have the right words, the right strength, or the right image. But I am not asking for pure performance. I am asking for honestly. Come to me as you are. Come with your weakness. Come with your doubts. Come with your broken pieces. I can heal what you cannot fix. I can restore what you thought was gone forever. I can renew the parts of you that life has worn down. Do not believe the lie that your past has disqualified you. Yes, you have made mistakes. Yes, there are things you wish you could change, but your past is not greater than my Marquis. Your failures are not stronger than my grace. I am not limited by what went wrong yesterday. I can still write something beautiful with the life your place in my hands. I am a God of new beginnings. I am a God of restoration. I am a God who still opens doors and makes way where there seems to be none. There are blessings coming that you have not yet seen. There are prayers already being answered in ways you do not yet understand. There are moments ahead that will remind you why you had to keep trusting me. One day, what feels heavy now will make sense. One day, you will look back and realize I was guiding you through every part of the journey. You were never forgotten. You were never overlooked. You were never walking alone. My child, guide your heart against discouragement. Discouragement will drain your strength and steal your focus. It will make small problems look bigger than they are. It will make temporary pain feel permanent. But I want you to remember this: seasons change, pain change, situations change, and I can change things faster than you think, but not build your life around what looks impossible today. Build your faith around who I am. I am still able. I am still faithful. I am still God. I want you to stop speaking defeat over your life. Stop saying it is over when I am still writing your story. Stop saying nothing good can happen when I am still able to do more than you imagine. Your words shape your atmosphere. So begin to speak hope, begin to speak life, begin to say, God is with me. Begin to say, this season will not break me. Begin to say, something better is ahead. When your heart agrees with faith, your spirit grows stronger. Rest is also holy. You do not need to run in panic. You do not need to prove yourself every second. There are times when the strongest thing you can do is pause, breathe, pray, and trust me. I know the pressure you feel. I know the thoughts racing in your mind. I know the exhaustion in your soul. That is why I am calling you into my peace. Let my presence quiet the noise around you. Let my truth silence the lies in your head. Let my love remind you that you are safe in my hands. Thank you for listening to this message today. If this message touch your heart, take a moment to be still and let these words stay with you. No matter what you are facing right now, remember that God sees you, God loves you, and God is making a way for you. Do not give up. Do not lose hope. Your story is not over and your breakthrough maybe closer than you think. Keep your faith strong, keep praying, and keep walking with courage. May the peace of Jesus fill your heart, your home, and your future. You are loved, you are chosen, and you are never alone. God bless you.